Guys, welcome to my channel. So first you have to come on this www.gigabyte.com. So guys, you can see here right hand side search button, and after that you enter your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Then guys, you can see here, so click on product, then click again on. So guys, this is your motherboard. Okay, and then click on support. So guys, then select your operating system which is you using. Suppose if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and then you can install in Windows 10 drivers, because installations process almost 100% same. Okay, similar. So Windows 11, and then you can see this is audio driver. Just click on that. This is heavy file, you can see here 165 MB. So I already downloaded this one. Just after download, just single click to open, and this is, you can see, exe format extract driver. So you can extract to a specific folder, and otherwise you can install directly. Just double click, and then guys click on yes. This is for permissions. Now this is extracting drivers to your system for installation. So now this is started driver installation. So it will complete, so automatically close it. Then guys, it is done, and close it.